We received the news of the launch of digital OB Occurrence book with joy on behalf of Kenyans, because as ipoa we've been at the forefront. We've done several recommendations following our monitoring and investigations engagements. We've made recommendations for use uptake of technology within the National Police Service, because that would essentially enhance transparency and accountability. And basically we know Article 244 is the basis upon which ipoa exists, and Article 244 of the Constitution requires that the National Police Service should enhance professionalism, accountability, transparency, and among other things. So for us, it's a critical step towards enhancement of more effective service delivery. In terms of our engagements, most of the complaints that we receive is as a result of police inaction. When the citizens are held in police custody, the complaints we receive a number of times is that they've been held beyond the required number of hours. They've been denied bail, and it's been difficult in the past to establish exactly when